Hi everyone, I am Angel Selvakumari from Section A Biological Department, St. Ignatius College of Education. I am going to teach about branches of psychology. The contents are: first is A is a meaning and definition, B is a pure psychology, C is applied psychology. Pure psychology and applied psychology is types of psychology. That means branches of psychology is divided into two types: pure psychology and applied psychology. Then branches and meanings. Then the meaning of the psychology is psyche and logos. Psyche is a soul. Logos is study of or knowledge, study of soul. Okay, definition: psychology is the science of human and animal behavior. Okay. Then branches of psychology. It has many branches and fields of studies. Is broadly divided into pure psychology and applied psychology. Applied psychology. Okay. The pure psychology comes under general psychology, abnormal psychology, social psychology, psychological psychology, parapsychology, geopsychology, developmental psychology, and experimental psychology. And applied psychology is educational psychology, clinical psychology, industrial psychology, legal psychology, military psychology, and political psychology. Then pure psychology. First we're going to see about pure psychology. Pure psychology is a framework. It provides a framework and theory. It deals with the formulation of psychological principles and theories. It suggests various methods and techniques for the analysis, assessment, modification, and improvement of the behavior. Then the first branches of pure psychology comes under general psychology, abnormal psychology, social psychology, psychological psychology, parapsychology, geopsychology, and developmental psychology and experimental psychology. Then applied psychology. First we're going to see about the general psychology. It deals with the fundamental rules, principles, and some theories. Abnormal psychology is unusual or abnormal, whose or unusual mental disorders. It's an abnormal psychology. Then the social psychology is group behavior and the interrelationship of people with other people. Okay, public opinion, attitudes, beliefs in crowd behavior is a social psychology. Then psychological psychology is biological and physiological basis of behavior. Physiological psychology is sense organ, nervous system, muscles, and glands of underlying all behaviors. Then parapsychology deals extrasensory perception, cause of rebirth, and telepathy and allied problems. Then developmental psychology is growth and development of human behavior. The process of growth and development in relation to the behavior of an individual from birth to old age. Experimental psychology is carrying out psychological experiments by using scientific methods. Okay, then the applied psychology. Applied psychology is what's that? Is a practical thing. Application of psychological rules, principles, theories, and techniques with reference to the real practical life situation. Educational psychology is the first comes under the branches of applied applied psychological principles, theories, techniques in human behavior in education situation is called educational psychology. Clinical psychology is cause of mental illness, abnormal behavior of a patient, suggests treatment and effective adjustment. Then industrial psychology is a supervision of their personal and the improvement of a communication within the organization. Then legal psychology is to study the behavior of persons like clients, criminals, witness, etc. Then military psychology is how to keep the morals of the soldiers and citizens high during wartime. Then political psychology is studying political and deriving political gains. Okay, branches and meanings is you can see about general, abnormal. General is the fundamental rules, social group behaviors. Para, extra sensory perception, and experimental caring psychology. Then the applied psychology comes under educational psychology. Educational applied psychology apply the psychological principles, theories, and techniques. Legal to study behavior of persons like clients, criminals, witness, etc. My conclusion is individual concept theories studies discuss concerns and insightful summary. What we know about some aspects of human behavior. Thank you for your watching.